The Lexus GS has been around since 1991, and its latest generation raises the bar for Lexus mid-size luxury sedan. The 5th generation GS debuted for the 2013 model year and underwent a refresh in 2015 as it gained a highly recognizable and polarizing spindle grille. The refresh also brought the 200T variant in its 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. When matched with the available F-Sport package, which brings a sport-tuned suspension and more aggressive aesthetics, the GS truly shoulders the role of a proper sports sedan. I just spent a week behind the wheel of a 2017 GS 200T F-Sport covering some 200 miles of mixed driving over familiar Central Florida roads. From the grocery store parking lot to the high-speed Autobahn demolition derby known as I-4, I put the Lexus through it all. Even the parent pickup line at the kiddo's elementary school saw some F-Sport action. Here's how things played out. The current Lexus GS is a calm, subtle sedan with a somewhat large grille and the personality of a no-nonsense accountant who only makes practical decisions. The F-Sport version, however, is like putting that accountant on a protein, carbs, and Red Bull regimen and sending him to the gym 6 days a week. The sedan's entire theme moves from calm to confrontational. The enlarged F-Sport grille and side air intakes dominate the car's face. The more aggressive appearance continues onto the side with sportier-looking 19-inch wheels wrapped in summer performance rubber and big brakes poking from behind the thin spokes. Around back, the truck gets a deck lid spoiler and the dual exhaust tips are enhanced with chrome trim. A faux diffuser resides between the exhaust, finishing off the GS F-Sport's more menacing styling. For those who want even more, Lexus will happily point you to the V8-powered GSF. Besides its appearance, the GS offers plenty of functionality, too. The side mirrors are large and easily dispel blind spots. The blind spot monitoring system helps with that, as well. The large, wide windshield and tall side windows make the cabin feel airy. For those times when the sun is too bright, the rear window has a power-operated shade,